shalgam drink. Oh, stinking.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today on Living Abroad, as my trip comes to a near end, I have to go and take a look at the two famous mosques of Hagia Sophia and the Sultanahmet Mosque. In today's video, my friend Aisha is going to show us around. She's a little camera shy, but I'll see if I can get her to say at least hello to everybody. My name's Alex and you can live through me. So, you can't come to Turkey or Istanbul and not check out the Blue Mosque. So I'm here today to walk around the neighborhood of Eminuno and check out some of these famous Hagia Sophia and other mosques that are around here. It's really crowded here right now. I don't even know if you can hear me. I don't have my mic with me, so hopefully this turns out okay. So this big mosque behind me, I think that's the one. I'm not really sure. I'll walk around and see if I can find it.
تستمر رحلتنا البحرية
want to be? That's enough.
You can cut.
Say hello. Okay. Whoa, right in your face. So we're a little hungry. Let's grab some food. So apparently this is like a special drink. What's the name of the drink? Say it. Shalgam. Okay, drink it. How is it? Spicy. Spicy drinks. Okay, let me try it.
Shalgam drink. Oh, stinking. What is that, bro? Good. Basically, this is pickle juice. I hate it, but I like it at the same time. Great. The rice is really good. It's nice and flavorful. Let's see how the kebab is. Perfect. Bebe. As always, love it. Delicious.
So that was it. That was Sultanahmet and Hagia Sophia. They were pretty much the same, so I didn't bother going to the other mosque across. I just took some photos from outside. It was really nice inside, and my friend here helped me out. Let's say hello to her. Let's thank my friend today for showing me around. Tell us your name. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Aisha.
Thank you, Aisha, for showing us this beautiful mosque. And yeah, say goodbye to everybody.
Hi, goodbye.
Not hi, goodbye. So she's not saying bye, she's saying hi. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today. I'll see you guys next week as my trip here in Istanbul is coming to an end. I'll see you guys in another country. Bye.
Bye.